This colourful bird is the Crimson Rosella, one of Australia's most striking parrots. With bright red feathers, deep blue wings, and a curved grey beak, the Crimson Rosella is impossible to miss in the wild. These parrots feed on seeds, fruits, flowers, and insects, often travelling in pairs or small groups through forests and gardens.
Crimson rosellas are highly intelligent birds, using their strong beaks and claws to move easily through trees.
Interestingly, young rosellas are born mostly green. Their famous red feathers appear as they mature. In Australia's forests, the Crimson Rosella remains one of nature's brightest flying treasures.